Welcome back. Terry and I will be cooking our final dishes together. She'll be doing a 3-bean salad, and I will be doing a coconut cream of callaloo soup. All right, remember this is the salads and soups episode. Terry's doing her salads. I'm doing the soups over here. So, we're going to get right into it.
Yeah, and I'm making space.
And you're making Let's run, go to the door and come back. All right. So, I'm going to start off with some extra virgin cold press coconut oil. All right, we're doing coconut cream of callaloo. So we want as much coconut flavor in there as possible, and I love this coconut oil.
And what cold press means is just that there's no heat applied to it to extract the oil from the item. So whether it's olive oil or coconut oil, cold press just means there's no heat applied.
So we're gonna add some butter again, flavor again. You understand? Start off with the onions. No, I'm not going to add the garlic as yet. I'm going to add the thyme.
Because garlic, add the garlic last.
Right, because that burns quicker.
Yeah, Peer student.
A little bit of Scotch bonnet. This is optional, but do it anyway.
Yeah, man. Optional, but do it anyway.
But do it anyway. And over here we have some thyme powder. So, not thyme, I'm sorry, pimento. All right.
You smell that coconut oil?
Yeah.
Now you'll notice I didn't chop up these seasonings fine like the other one.
Yeah.
Because we're going to puree it. It really doesn't make much of a difference. Understand? And this helps to mitigate against it burning so easily. Right? Over here we have some coconut milk that I just pulled from the can. These are some Caribbean Dream coconut milk, the canned ones. I'm just warming it up. Similar to how we did the vegetable stock for the other soup.
As possible.
I need my callaloo. Alright, so we're just going to cook this off, just like we cook callaloo, alright? We want it to wilt, then we're going to throw in the coconut milk, blend it off, season it up, good to go. That sounds like our croutons are ready.
Because it smells fabulous, it looks great.
Alright, so just like the other soup that we did, we're just going to top it with some croutons in there already.
At the end.
Toss some oil over there. Since we're doing coconuts, you can toss some coconut oil, season it, a little salt, a little pepper. That's it. I'm going to add the Grace Fresh and Ready shredded callaloo. And again, we're just looking to wilt it down a little.
All right, so what I've done so far while Andre has gotten us started is that I have some pear here, aka avocado.
Is it avocado, aka pear?
I think it's avocado, aka pear.
Pear,
Yeah.
Whichever way you want to put it. I grew up knowing it as pear, and when you go to foreign, them call it avocado. So I'll stick with the pear. So I had some finely chopped cilantro and finely chopped parsley that I have, and I'm just tossing that all over my pear, right? And then I had some, while Andre is toasting his croutons, I had put some French bread in, and I've just added some butter, melted butter, which is sprinkled with parsley. That's just playing with your eyes, playing with color, senses. That's what we're working with, right? So I'm going to just toss this up and then put this aside. Now, what I really wanted to show everybody is how we're going to make our dressing for our bean salad, right? Now, we have some whole sweet peppers here. We're just going to cut them in half. And then you just need to take out the seed and the stem out of it. And just throw that away. So I'm going to do that to both of these. And I'm going to toss it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 450 degrees. Now, the entire detailed process of doing this is on the website, televisionjamaica.com/TFT. So you can get further details on how to do that there. But I'm just, because I actually finished this already. I did a batch before, so that it could be nice and all marinated and everything.
Oh, so this is something that you'd want to have sit like overnight or like 2 hours before?
Yes. But the great thing about this is that when you do this, and you make it, you can use it to do so many other things. You can cook with it, you can use it in your salad, you can use it as a dressing, you can do so many things with it. So if you don't use up all of it right now, you can always put it aside and use the rest of it later. I need some olive oil.
Yeah, I saw I added something to the...
Yeah, I added a little bit of baking soda
Yeah.
to my callaloo. That will help to keep the colors like really green and vibrant. And then I threw in some of the coconut milk. I'm just going to cook it off a little bit more, puree it, and then I'll add the rest of the coconut milk, if necessary, depending on the texture that I have versus what I want.
What seasoning you adding to the sweet peppers?
So I'm just adding some fresh cracked pepper and fresh salt.
Oh.
As usual, I only cook with fresh cracked pepper because just the flavors that I get from it is much better than the powdered pepper. So I'm just rubbing up my olive oil and my powdered and my pepper and my salt onto it, and I'm going to just rest it in the oven and allow this to cook. And it will get kind of. In fact, I'm going to show you how it's going to look because I have a set that I did already as well. So when they're nice and roasted now, this is how they're going to look.
Wow.
Right?
Nice.
It's like magic.
And once again, just like we were discussing earlier, when you cook things a certain way, they just completely taste different based on the application. So how this will taste is completely different from how the raw sweet pepper would have tasted.
Okay.
So I'm just tearing off the outer skin from the sweet pepper.
And do you have to do that?
Yeah, because...
Yes, because it's kind of,
Okay.
so it kind of sounds like paper.
I get you.
So you want to just get rid of that. And then we're going to just chop this up. And then this is what we're going to use as the base for us, or to rub on our beans.
So I'm about to pour my entire mixture into the blender and pulse it, just as we did with the other one. Start the chopping process, and then we'll just leave it to puree.
But wouldn't this be a bit different because it doesn't have the...
Well, not only that, because it's so hot as well, it's a good idea to start it that way. You don't want to build up too much pressure in there, otherwise everything could just spill.
A
You
nice
understand?
explosion.
I knew that.
And I mean, talk about first.
Yeah.
Can't afford that.
Inner chef told me, you know?
For the course, if you work in a kitchen still.
But you don't want undue and unnecessary and careless money. Careless money. So now I'm just using a bowl to combine all my beans. So I have red kidney beans, black beans, and garbanzo beans. And then I have my pre-made marinade as well. And I'm going to just throw all of this on there.
Boy, I tell you.
Nice.
Now the longer you let these beans sit, the more it would absorb the flavor as well. So you could always do this part as well in advance.
All right, so this is fully cooked. This is ready. Now I just tasted it for seasoning. It could take just a touch more black pepper. I don't want to make it too hot because we have the Scotch bonnet in there and tasting that coming through.
You said taste
And
all of
it-
it, so I was just getting ready.
You get ready. You jump up fast, see?
Salt there. Freshly cracked pepper.
I'm going to try to get everything from my fork one time.
And this is...
Okay, this is a passion fruit vinaigrette. Anybody who knows me knows that that's one of my signature things.
I love passion.
All right.
I love...
And this is a beetroot marinade that I had made.
So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit.
Even without the vinaigrette. This is so fresh.
This is how I like my salads. I mean, even though I love the vinaigrette, I love to use whatever, marinated beans or marinated tomatoes or something like that to add to my salad.
Yeah, it just popped. Like,
Terry, this is so good. This is so good.
You know that thing, green eggs and ham, green soup. Lord, seriously? I saw me get move out.
Hold on. No worry, don't fret.
Soup with